How to create databases in 2 simple ways. First method, you'd have to go to your databases, right click on databases and select new database, and all you now have to do when that finishes loading up is to enter the name of the database you want to create, and we're calling this database 1. Take note, it's safer to not use space when you are giving a name to such an item. So you can click on OK to save, and that creates for us database 1. So you can see that database is there. Second way is to open a query page by selecting new query. Once that loads up, you just have to write a simple query, create database, and the name you want to give to that database. This time we are calling it database 2. Remember, again, we are saying it's safer to not use a space. And all you need to do now is highlight and then execute, and that database will be created. All you now have to do is right click on database and select refresh, so you can now see in your databases the different databases that you've created. So these are 2 simple ways to create database